Hey guys, welcome! I'm Sophie, and as some of you may be able to tell, I live in Taranaki, New Zealand, on a sheep and beef farm. Oh, this is so cute! Look at those little lambs! My friends from town ask me all the time, Soph, what do you do on the farm? Just chase animals and drink tea? There's quite a bit more to it than that, so I thought I'd show you guys what we do. Jasper, what are you doing? Good morning, boy. I have no idea how to start a vlog, so I'm just going to start a vlog. This is Jasper. I'm Sophie, and over here we have Nick.
Hi, I'm Nick. Together we are both idiots, and we're trying to make a vlog.
So we're going to make a vlog on our lives here in a sheep and beef farm in New Zealand, Taranaki, New Zealand. Show you guys what it's like to live on a sheep and beef farm. Show you some cool animals. Yeah.
We're in the middle of Taranaki, near Stratford. We're in Huinga.
Yeah, it's
Huinga.
Oh, I think it's not how you pronounce it.
Near Toko, near the pub.
We're near the pub. Yeah.
It's always good. When are you going to go to the pub and do some filming?
We should go there now.
I'm going there now.
We should go and have a coffee.
Who goes to the pub at 2 in the afternoon, so?
We do.
No,
it's
we
your
don't.
birthday. We can do
Don't
whatever
listen to
you
who.
want. It's your birthday. Let's go to the pub. Such a beautiful day here in Taranaki. What have we got behind us?
Trophies. It's a pig. It's a pig. That's a pig, goat, deer.
Pig, goat, deer?
Yeah,
Is
I've
that a
just
new breed?
attached endless, yeah.
Today is a pretty crap day to take you out on the farm, so I might show you guys a couple of clips of things we've been doing for the last year. So the farm looks pretty flat here, but it gets pretty gnarly over the back. See, yeah, pretty hilly there. So on the farm we've got quite a few sheep, and we've also, unfortunately, got quite a few goats. Yeah, we don't farm them. And unfortunate because they tend to wreck the fences here, as you can see. We also have lots of moo cows. So these ones here are heifers. We're looking after them for the dairy farmer. And they're just playing around on our farm for a wee while before they go back to the dairy farm to be milked eventually. I like to think of this as their fun teenage years. And here we've got some wee calves. It's so cute. We're grazing them for a friend. Hi, steer. This is a steer. We know it's a steer because it's got this. A pizzle. And no balls. If it had balls, it would be a bull. As well as animals, we've also got machinery. This is a tractor. And this is me on the bike. I hope you enjoyed this wee intro to our lives on the farm. So in these videos I'm going to take you out on the farm, show you everything we do, like fencing. Nick's really good at that, and I'll have a go too, just not quite as experienced as he is. Show you crutching, which is like a Brazilian for sheep. Quite important. And general sheep work. I think here Nick's counting the sheep. Yeah. We live in a pretty amazing place and are privileged enough to do something that Nick's family's been doing for generations, sheep farming. I just want to show you guys what we do, why we do it, and have a bit of fun along the way. See you next time.